Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of See Slurps Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're making TikTok pasta, aka baked feta pasta. It is so easy to make, and I can attest it is actually a delicious recipe that works. Feta cheese, tomatoes, olive oil, a bit of basil, and a few extra ingredients to make it my own. Let's go ahead and get started. If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!